Y'all give him a round of applause.
Hi, my name is Cade, and I want to start a laundry business. My executive summary. My name is Cade, and I run a laundry pickup and delivery service. People are either too busy or too lazy to do their laundry, which is exactly the problem I solve. I pick up your clothes, wash, dry, and fold everything, then bring it right back to your door, all at prices you can actually afford. No trips to the laundromat, no hassle, just clean clothes delivered to you. The problem. Some people are too busy or too lazy to do their laundry. Others don't even have a washer or dryer at home. My target customers are busy people, lazy people, and people who don't have a washer or dryer at home. Most people just go to a laundromat and do it themselves, but that's a lot of work. Nobody is really out here picking up your laundry and bringing it back clean for a good price, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Product offering. The first service I offer is washing and drying your clothes. I also offer folding, ironing, stain removal, and more for additional price. The second thing I offer is detergent. I buy it in bulk at a cheaper price and sell it lower than places like Walmart and H-E-B, but still high enough to make a profit, so right in the middle. Competition. My main competitors are people with laundromats. What sets me apart is my fast pickup and delivery, affordable prices, and discount subscriptions that people can apply for. I plan to attract customers through social media and ads. Once I open a shop, I'll have a vending machines and detergent available in store and online. It will cost me about $7,000 to start, and I should make about $20,000 in my first year. To make sure I don't lose money, I'll start mobile first. At some point, I will have my own physical location where anyone can come in, and I will have an online website. I'll run the business by myself as an LLC with an EIN and a business bank account. Thank you.